let me show you how I use AI to increase performance on my Google Ads and optimize it on a weekly basis. I do this for my clients and it's super fast, super easy. Anyone can do it. Okay, so first off, let's go to Google Ads. I'm here in my client's dashboard and I'm going to select the last 7 days. So that's gonna be these. And then I'm gonna go to campaigns and search terms. These are all the terms I added to the list. I'm going to export these. So click download and export as a CSV. Then I'm going to go to campaigns and go to insights and reports and then go to search terms. These are the terms that people are looking for when they are looking for your business. I'm going to clear all the filters and then you will find the entire group of search terms that you need. Now, what is important here is that you select, if you do this every week, is that you select the last 7 days and then you're gonna organize them on interactions because you want the ones that get the most interactions to be on the top. And then again, I'm going to download this keyword list as a CSV file. So now I have two files, one called search terms, and then I have a file called keyword. Let's now go to ChatGPT. This is my personal Google expert assistant for this client. So it is important that you create one of those for yourself. Basically, I'm telling this GPT that it is my Google expert and I give it context about the business we're using the ads for. And I'm making sure that this ChatGPT knows what Google is all about. Now, if you want this prompt for a good Google expert on ChatGPT, just comment prompt and then I will reply with the prompt that you need. So let me just drag the keywords here that people are using to look for my brand. And then I'm going to ask, can you scan through these search terms and let me know which keywords I should add to our negative keyword list and which keywords could be an opportunity for bidding on them. Enter. Now GPT is going to scan through these files and use all its information that it already has about the company and of being a Google Ads expert, and is gonna come out with a nice output. So before I'm going to ask GPT to create a new spreadsheet for these categorized keywords per team and negative keywords list, I'm going to feed it my keywords that I'm already using. So I did the same for my keywords as I did for my search term. So I'm just gonna ask, yes, you can do that. Please take into account the keywords that I'm already using and are performing well. So as you can see, it's starting to give me all the keywords I should put into the negative keywords list, French and Dutch, because my client is using two languages. And it's even giving me keywords that I should add in Dutch and in French. It's giving me the option to create a CSV file to import it directly in the Google Ads editor. For now, I'm just gonna copy and paste this using my own manual strategy because that is what I prefer. So once it gave us the keywords, I'm just gonna copy this column and I'm gonna paste it into our spreadsheet so I can easily select the negative keywords like this. I'm going to go to our tools and go to our negative keywords list. I already have two lists created, a Dutch one and a French one. I'm going to the Dutch one and simply click this plus here and add these keywords that ChatGPT suggested. Now, why am I using lists? Because otherwise I have to select each campaign separately and I have to add these keywords separately. It just takes a lot more time. I'm gonna do the same thing for our French keywords. Simply paste it in a sheet first. Sometimes GPT will give you the option to easily copy paste it, but this time it didn't. And also add these to the branch list. There we go. Then I'm gonna go to our campaigns overview and check the keywords that it wants me to add. Now, something else you can do is just go to your campaign and select the campaign you want to analyze. So for example, I want to analyze this campaign. You can simply download this entire report and add these cards to your GPT and just ask him, how can I optimize this campaign? So now it's going to give you an oversight of the last week and give you some advice on how you should improve this campaign. So this saves me at least an hour per campaign and improves my CTR because my ads show up for the right intent. AI isn't replacing marketeers, it is just simply making us faster and smarter so we can use our time to be more strategic. If you want my exact GPT prompt for this, just drop prompt in the comments and subscribe for more AI driven marketing strategies. I drop new ones every week.